Good day, this is Deborah from Book of Judges, and you are watching Tiny Tales of Faith. It takes a lot of time and energy to create these videos, so we would appreciate your support. Please help grow our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing, so we can bring you more stories like this one.
Welcome back to Tiny Tales of Faith. Today, we begin the story of a remarkable woman who led Israel with wisdom and courage. Her name, Deborah. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Your support helps bring these Bible stories to life. Long ago, in the land of Israel, the people had once again turned away from God. They forgot His commands and began worshiping idols. Because of their disobedience, they fell under the rule of a powerful king named Jabin of Canaan. His commander, Sisera, was a mighty warrior with 900 iron chariots. The Israelites were terrified and had no one to lead them, until a woman named Deborah stepped forward. Deborah was no ordinary woman. She was wise, courageous, and full of faith. She served as a judge and prophetess, guiding Israel with God's wisdom. Under the shade of a tall palm tree, people came from all over to seek her counsel. They knew that Deborah spoke the words of the Lord. One day, Deborah received a message from God. She called for a man named Barak and gave him an important command.
Barak, the Lord, the God of Israel, commands you, take 10,000 men and go to Mount Tabor. The Lord will lead Sisera and his army into battle, and he will give them into your hands.
But Barak was hesitant. He knew Sisera's army was strong and well-equipped. So, he made a condition.
I will go, but only if you go with me, Deborah.
I will surely go with you, but because of your hesitation, the victory will not be yours. The Lord will give Sisera into the hands of a woman.
And so, Deborah and Barak led 10,000 men up Mount Tabor, preparing for battle. Meanwhile, Sisera laughed when he heard about Israel's small army. With his iron chariots and strong warriors, he was confident of an easy victory. But God had a different plan. As the battle began, dark clouds gathered in the sky. Suddenly, a mighty storm broke out. Rain poured down, turning the battlefield into thick mud. Sisera's iron chariots were stuck. The powerful warriors of Canaan panicked, slipping and falling in the mud. Seizing the opportunity, Barak and his men charged forward with renewed strength. The Israelite army, though small, fought with great faith, and the mighty Canaanites were defeated. Seeing his army crushed, Sisera abandoned his chariot and ran for his life. He fled to the tent of a woman named Jael, seeking safety. Little did he know that God had chosen her to fulfill Deborah's prophecy. But that part of the story comes next. Will Barak and Deborah completely defeat their enemies? What will happen to Sisera? Stay tuned for part 2. Goodbye, friends. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Till next time, stay faithful.
It takes a lot of time and energy to create these videos, so we would appreciate your support. Please help grow our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing, so we can bring you more stories like this one.